friends, I'm Adi and welcome to Adi and Rishabh's Tech Show, and in today's video we are going to unbox the OnePlus Nord. So let's do it. So the open button is over here, so I'm going to unbox it. And let's remove the plastic. And I even have a tool for helping me. And the package is out. The plastic is out and the box looks amazing. Now let's open. Wow, what a phone. So now let's open the phone very carefully and we'll see this later. And that's something. And these are the manuals for the phone. So they have given us a welcome letter. So in the welcome letter they have written, "Dear friend, today when a new phone hits the market, we often ask what are its specs and so on." There's a long note. Next we got a cover for the OnePlus Nord. So it's a transparent cover and there's something inside this. So firstly there's a sticker. There are some stickers. Then there's a quick guide, start guide. And there is a safety information. They've given me some red Cable Club card. So that is, I guess, of the UCB. They've given something like this, and at the end they have given a pin for the SIM card. So let's see the wire and the charger. So they've given this red UCB, which is very cool in the seeing. And let's open it. There's some clip. There are two clips actually. The packaging is very nice. I like it. And there's a long red wire for the UCB. And at last there's a charger. So this is a OnePlus charger. And it is of 10 watts. And it looks like this. So the charger is quite big as compared to an Apple charger. It's a bit big. So now let's look at the phone. So on the phone they have written "This way Nord," and the back is like this, and they have given some instructions over here. And now let's remove the phone very, very safely. So we have to start from here. And the phone looks awesome. Isn't it? It's awesome. And there's a sticker, which I don't think we should remove it. And it has a very, very nice look. So friends, if you like the phone, if you like our videos, please do like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye for now.